Welcome back to the channel. We got a little surprise today. There's actually two surprises, but the first one just showed up now. It is an X-Pro Titan 250cc dirt bike. Pulled it down the driveway with the lawnmower, obviously. My sticker bombed the lawnmower, which link in the description below if you want to check out the stickers I put on that. Kind of lame, but it's personalized. But let's get this thing out of the packaging, see what's inside, and assemble it. And a pretty lengthy owner's manual. All sorts of stuff. Including, yeah, I'll take a look at that later tonight. So we got the plastic off. Caliper's already good to go. Let's cut these things out, put it on the stand, and get this thing assembled. Comes with 2 keys. Look at that. So we got most of the zip ties off, except for the ones holding down these foot pegs. So that's a quick one. The other side. Random zip ties right here. Not sure what that's for. I'm doing a great job holding the camera. And now it's time for the handlebar zip ties. Top one and bottom one. Now everything that's just holding this in place is this front bracket that's welded to the rest of the crate frame. I'm going to put the handlebars on first. That way it'll be a little bit more easy to maneuver. So we'll do that now. I'm going to have my assistant wife help me out with filming, but we're going to put the handlebars on, give me some leverage to install it. So because it's a Chinese bike, you gotta have a metric Allen key set to install the handlebars. So the kit comes with these bar clamps. We're gonna install those using the hardware provided. And we'll crank this down. These top ones can come off. Okay, putting the clamps on, and then I will adjust them accordingly once I have them a little snug. I'm also going to be putting blue Loctite on these things, but I'm going to do that after I get everything assembled, get the positioning all right and finalized. So we've transitioned the bike to this wooden stool. It's not quite tall enough, but we're going to use it to get the front wheel on, and then we'll deal with the rear shock. Higher. Okay. got the front wheel on, installed the brakes on the front, inflated with air. Now we just got to deal with this rear axle. So, got to get all those bolts to line up. Okay, we transitioned to Home Depot buckets, so now everything is up. Now we're trying to get this bottom bracket, bottom suspension link into that hole, which means probably gonna need hammers. There we go. Looks like one of them lined up. Down here, so that side's a 13, this side's okay. Let's take it off the bucket and onto the kickstand.
Yep.
Okay.
How has the bucket held that weight?
One last time. And we will tighten up this one last time. And suspension is complete. So that took a lot. I'm gonna have to adjust the wheels out a little bit, and we're gonna put on the front fairing next. We've got the fender that goes on here, and then this slots into the top of the fender like that, and then these rubber straps attached to that. Let's find pieces that fit. Of course, different sizes for everything. Womp womp. What would that be, Earl?
I don't know. You gonna get it right in the first try?
I'm guessing it's an 8.
Find out.
Yep, we will. Here's the 8. It's an 8. Look at that. Under these. So these bolts get threaded in here. Almost there, folks. Now's a great time to remind you guys to like and subscribe. Okay, so we have this connector for the ignition, and then all this stuff gets covered by this piece of heat shrink. Okay. It's not heat shrink. It looks like heat shrink, but it's not. And it's also a little bit too loose. So we're just gonna zip tie it, I guess. We're gonna zip tie it on this end and just cinch everything down. Sweet. Now we'll attach this to the front. There's the other. Okay, we have the headlight on after much fighting with everything, but it's there. What else do we have to do? We got to do the side body panels. It should be easy. So let's put those on, and then we're done. We also have to put oil and gas in. Like and subscribe, and then Ariel's bike comes tomorrow. She's got a 150 in the mail. Like and subscribe for more Ariel content. Okay. X Pro 250. Now this is where the Chinese quality really starts to shine. These stickers are already peeling. Look at that. So
oh yeah.
it's fine, whatever. I can always paint these blue. Okay, so obviously one attaches. There we go. Okay, so the seat needs to come off. Now the question is, how does the seat come off? So now that's the bolt for the seat. The seat just slides off like that. And we got air filter, got a battery, and we have a point to attach these side pieces. So And then these should go on and attach like that, like this, and like this. Well, consistency is not this bike's strong suit, so different size bolts all over the place, but they're all metric, which is nice. Oh my god, what? And the backside isn't an 8. What? I don't get it. Don't get it. Why?
It's personal.
Yeah, obviously. Yes, it's a 10. Okay, that's a 4. Of course, that's not a 4. That's a 5. So I need a 4 and a 5. 5's coming off. Take out the 5s first. Gotta plug in the battery. So that's the last step. Oh my god.
What?
I just dropped that. Okay, don't lose parts. Okay. If you guys are anyway familiar with batteries, this should be easy. And we got the black negative side. So let's grab the provided screws. And I actually might unplug this again because it's a pain. If we can. Yeah, that was actually pretty easy. Little cover on. All right, now for the positive side. Make sure you don't touch any bits of the frame as you're doing this, because you might get zapped. Battery terminals are installed. Now we just strap the whole thing down, cover it back up, and we are good to go. Sweet. The last bit is this piece of padding, which says X-Pro, and it just goes over the triple clamp, like so.
Perfect.
Padding, yep. And then this goes over that, maybe? I don't know how this thing works. This is an odd one.
High-tech Velcro.
Yeah. Because when this thing breaks, it's just gonna come flying off.
Yep.
Could always get a different brand. So when you hit your head on that, you're fine. All right, tomorrow we're gonna put together Ariel's bike, and then we'll start both of them up and see how it all goes. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.